Our parents have done so much for us right when we were little kids to even right now. However, due to our busy schedules, we are forced to leave our elderly parents alone or unattended for hours. In such a duration, if something happens to them and you get a call from the hospital, a million questions will pop up in your mind, such as how did this happen, when did this happen, and you would wish that you were there with them in such a situation. Good morning, my name is Kamya. I am the CEO.
Good morning, judges. I am Himal and I am the CFO of the company Life.
We have Anika managing the PPT. She's our CTO, and I'm Vidhi, the CEO. And we are the team of LifeLoop.
LifeLoop is a preventive healthcare system which has the only mission of ensuring that you are there for your loved ones when they are in danger. And the center of this ecosystem is NovaBand. NovaBand is a it's a sleek band which ensures that you are connected with your loved ones. It is connected to an app which gives you an alert. The best feature that we have is our SOS detection and fall detection one, which gives you an immediate alert in your phone if something wrong has happened. In addition to all of this, we also have the basic healthcare features such as oxygen monitoring, temperature, blood pressure, and you get to know about their mental state at all times.
Okay, so as Kamya said, this is how the band will look. It's a very sleek, it does not have a screen, comfortable, easy to wear. And then it is connected to the app, which is the command center of the whole ecosystem. The app is LifeLoop. Could we please show the app? Yes, so this is how we plan on making the interface. It's very easy to use. It's not too, hard on technology, not too tech savvy. Users can see the heart rate, the blood pressure, the SpO2, the temperature, and of course the USP, our emergency SOS system. If any abnormal fluctuation is there, or if it detects a fall in the altitude, which means a fall has happened, it will send an emergency alert to the users, which are the children of the elderly people, so middle-aged people, and we have also all the emergency contacts. Now, how we plan on making this very useful cause a sustainable business, we'll have Himal, our CFO, explaining that.
So, our brand earns money through three streams. Firstly, the NovaBand itself. The making cost of NovaBand is around 1560 rupees per unit, and it sells for around 2500. We make a gross profit of 940 rupees per unit, and it is around 25 lakh rupees per 1000 units, and if we got 10,000 units, it would be around 2.5 crores. Secondly is our premium subscription ship in our app NovaCare. It is for 149 per month. If we got 1000 customers who is taking that for yearly purposes, it would be around 18 lakhs yearly. Lastly is our partnership with hospitals, old age homes, insurance companies, and users to make our brand B2B. Thank you.
As he explained the unit economics, the COGS costs us 1560 rupees. We also have the breakdown of how the COGS, where we are selling, where the money is going, which is the battery, the sensors, which leaves us with a gross profit. And after the COGS, we have marketing costs, logistics, taxes, and that leaves us with our net margin, which we feel is very profitable, and there's a good scope that we can improve in this because our competitors are selling it at higher rates, so we are doing well that way as well.
And so also the market opportunity is very vast. The total addressable market is 5,300 crores, and the serviceable market is around 3,800 crores, and the market that is obtainable for our solution, it is 100 crores. Well and good.
So according to all of this, we think a 3 crore valuation would be justified. Next slide please. Our go-to-market strategy will be divided into 4 phases. Firstly, we have the pilot stage, which is we will be distributing our products to the elderly people. For example, we have tested it our families as well. Similarly, we'll be giving it to hospitals, old age homes to get their feedback. This way, we'll be getting more insights on our product and we can work that way. Secondly, we are going to go into customer acquisition. Digital marketing will play a huge role in this because nowadays we are connected through online platforms more than actually talking face to face. So Facebook and Meta ads are going to play a huge role here. This will help us build trust. And then this will make phase 3 easier, where we'll go into distribution completely. Hospitals, as he mentioned, insurance providers, NGOs, they, I think, are the most profitable people who would gain from this device because their expenses later, if something wrong happens, will reduce because of prevention here. Finally, we have phase 4, which is scaling. Tier 1 cities will adapt to this very easily, but to go into Tier 2 would be a challenge. Therefore, after building trust and after having a strong distribution system, we'll go into Tier 2 cities as well. This will make us a really good product in entire India and maybe global also after the next 3 years.
And now for the estimated budget, with our prototype and sensor development, R&D, testing, pilot launch, app, backend development, AI integration wherever is needed, we've come to the solution that we'll have a 15 to 21 lakh budget, 18 lakhs average. So this is LifeLoop and we are the team.
We, I believe, are perfect fits for this because we have grandparents, and since we're living in Delhi, most of our grandparents don't live with us. My own personal example is my dad has to travel 2 weeks to another state in Punjab because my grandparents are little stringent, they want to stay there. They won't shift to Delhi, but at the same time they're aged, they need help. So if this app comes into play, my dad will at least be able to sleep daily with a peaceful mind that okay, they are okay, and if something goes wrong, he can ASAP reach them. So this is something really helpful, and not only me, so many people here will relate to it, and similarly, I believe we are perfect for it.
Yeah, LifeLoop is not just a wearable, it is peace of mind. It frees you from the guilt of leaving your parents behind. And we are the team of LifeLoop. Thank you. And now Anika will show you a little working prototype that we've made. It's a website because apps, they are a very difficult code to achieve. So we've made a website. This is just a
This is prototype. He's showing the person with the child's phone as to how the